Hi everyone! February is a month full of Valentine's Day, hearts, kindness, mental health awareness, President's Day, and even Groundhog Day. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy activities and family ideas. Today I'm sharing fun and simple February bucket list ideas to do with kids. First, family cards. This is such a sweet activity to do with kids. They can decorate cards, practice writing names, and create something special for family and friends. Next, heart-shaped pizza. Nothing beats making pizza together. Kids love shaping the dough and adding their favorite toppings. Then we have a hot chocolate bar. Set up different toppings like marshmallows, sprinkles, or chocolate chips and let them customize their own cup. Valentine slime. This one is always a hit. It's a fun sensory activity and perfect for little hands. Heart crafts. You can use paper, felt, paint, or clay. You can make it from scratch or use store-bought materials. Either way, it's all about creativity. Make bird feeders. This is a great way to teach kids about caring for nature while having fun. Write love letters or notes. Kids can write little messages and decide when and to whom they want to give them. Family movie nights. Let the kids choose their favorite movie and make it cozy with snacks and blankets. Paint rocks. One of my favorites. Kids can use their imagination to create colorful and artistic designs. Trip to the library. Let them choose their favorite books. You can keep it Valentine themed and pick books about love and kindness. Nature walk. You can go to the park, forest, or even the beach. It's a great way to get fresh air and explore nature together. DIY birdhouse. Kids can paint and decorate it in any way they like. Such a fun hands-on activity. Heart sand catcher. This is a beautiful craft to make and hang by the window. Heart-shaped pancakes. I actually have a video where I made these pancakes from scratch, so feel free to check that out. Bake or decorate heart cookies. You can bake them together or simply decorate ready-made cookies. Cardboard castle. Such a fun at-home activity using boxes. Kids can build, paint, and play with it afterward. And finally, Valentine story time. End the day by reading a Valentine-themed book together. That's it for today's video. I hope you try some of these February bucket list ideas with your kids. And if you're looking for full monthly themes for the entire year, I'll link that video for you to watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.